Plugfones Liberate 2.0 wireless earbuds combine certified earplug-style tips with in-ear drivers to deliver strong hearing protection alongside surprisingly full sound for noisy environments. The soft foam and silicone tips come in multiple interchangeable pairs, so you can dial in a secure, comfortable seal that stays put through long shifts or active work days. Wireless connectivity is solid, and the battery comfortably covers a full workday, with a quick charge feature that helps if you forget to top them off between uses. The built-in microphone is tuned to filter out background rumble from tools, engines, and wind, so calls remain understandable even on a busy job site or factory floor. Inline controls are simple to find by touch, making it easy to adjust volume, skip tracks, or answer calls without pulling out your phone or removing your hearing protection. The included carrying case, cable clip, and charging cable round out a work-ready kit that feels purpose-built for people who need both audio and protection on the job.